How to set eye comfort shield to adaptive or custom settings on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down and then tap on display. Then in here, we scroll down and tap on Eye Comfort Shield. Tap on the left-hand side panel. And from here, you can choose between adaptive and custom. For adaptive, your phone will automatically adjust your screen's colors based on the time of day. If you select custom, you can set a schedule. Here, we can set schedule to always on between sunset to sunrise. Or you can set a custom start time and a custom end time. Then tap on done. And here you can also manually adjust the color. Okay, so manually adjust the color. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the back key or tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.